These protein cookie dough bites are absolutely incredible. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. I adapted them many months ago, and with that added protein, it makes it feel like a better dessert when you're reaching for something late at night. So you start with some cashew butter. You're going to add in some coconut oil, a little bit of honey, some vanilla, almond milk, and then some almond flour. Mix everything up, and then you're going to add in your dark chocolate. I try to stay away from dairy most of the time, so these ones are by Enjoy Life, and they're really wonderful. I have this mini cookie dough ball scoop that I use to pull everything out so that they're nice and bite-sized, and then I roll them by hand and then stick them in the freezer to help them firm up, about 30 minutes. I then pull out my double boiler and add your favorite dark chocolate. This is 72% or higher that I'm looking for. And once it's all melted down, I use a fork to drop the balls into the chocolate and then lift them out so it doesn't leave those marks on the sides of the chocolate. I also like to have my chocolate salted a little bit, so I use a good flaky sea salt to dust the top. Guys, these are so incredible. When you're done, store them in the freezer. They don't last long at our house, but they are definitely worth making over and over again. It's so, so delicious.